Hi everyone, so today we will learn how you can generate your free Gemini API key. As you can see, currently I'm on google.com and simply type here Google AI Studio. Once you have done that, you'll get this sort of a page, and the very first website will be for Google AI Studio. You can click here. You'll get this sort of a home page, and at the top, simply click on Get Started. Now here you need to sign in using your Gmail ID. Simply put your Gmail ID and sign in. I'll skip this part. So once you are logged in, you'll get this sort of a page, and on the left hand side, you'll get API Key at the bottom. Simply click on it. Now here, you need to click on Create API Key. Give a name to your key. I'll put Gemini Key. You need to select the project. So simply click here, create a project, and leave the name as it is, Gemini project. Click on Create Project. You can change the name if you want to. So once the project is created, it will be automatically selected here. So that's the name of your key and that's your project. Now simply click here on Create Key and your key is created. Now to copy the key, simply click on this icon. Now the key has been copied to the clipboard. Let me open the notepad and paste the key. So that's my key. Now you can use this key with any of your project and you're good to go. In case you want to monitor the usage of your key, you can click here, View Usage, and it will show the usage of your key, like how many requests you have made, if there was error or not. You can pick the range of your choice, last hour, 1 day, whatever it is. In case you want to convert it into a paid API key, you can do so. You can simply click on Set up billing and provide your details. So I hope you understood how to generate your free Gemini API key. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.